Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flik.
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs. So, on with the show. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flik.
Where
Where
was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison clothes at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's one of my favorites.
Paul! Come on, keep them coming! G's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Watch it! You're messing up my ant! Hold still!
Back off! In case you hadn't noticed, all right?
You miss! Here, no one makes a fool of Ginny, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now, he's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I am a mean defensive machine. I am the terminator. Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Let's move on. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready.
All right, hold just a second. Let it clear.
No way! You'll never catch me!
She's gonna blow!
Whoa! Who's gonna blow?
Oh boy.
The churros, boy.
Flik, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made an honorary bug.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war!
Slingers and attack! I'm going in for the sting! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders!
They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
What do we do now? Bring up the next act. You can't just come out of this performing.
What was this performing, huh?
Cue the finale!
Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's not to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a flame.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Fresh fruit and flowers.
give thanks to us bugs for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder high waist. Shoulder high waist.
And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to manage. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Still it's time to be
Huh? It's a piece of cake.
Hold thee!
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.